Hello everyone. In this video, we will be showcasing some of the most useful and free softwares that you need to install in your Windows as soon as possible. From productivity tools to everyday apps, we have selected a variety of programs that we believe will enhance your computing experience, whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the world of Windows. We hope that this list will help you discover some new and valuable software. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 1, we have PC Manager. PC Manager is a comprehensive tool that offers a wide range of features to help you keep your Windows running smoothly. It can help you clean up your system by removing unnecessary files and freeing up space, optimizing your startup and shutdown times, and fixing common issues that can slow down your PC. But that's not all. PC Manager also includes a set of secret tools to help protect your computer from viruses and malware. It can scan and remove threats as well as provide real-time protection to prevent infections. But perhaps one of the best features of PC Manager is its ability to monitor and diagnose your system's health. It can track your CPU and memory usage, as well as monitor the temperature of your hardware to prevent overheating. Overall, PC Manager is a great tool to have in your arsenal if you want to keep your computing running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you are a casual user or a power user, this software has something to offer for everyone. In the next place, we have 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a free and open source software that allows you to compress and extract files in a variety of formats, including 7Z, zip, and RAR. It's a great tool to use if you need to save space on your hard drive or if you want to easily share large files with others. One of the standout features that 7-Zip offers is high compression ratio, which allows you to shrink files into a smaller size without losing quality. It also includes a number of advanced options, such as the ability to split large archives into smaller parts, password protect your files, and create self-extracting archives. In addition to its file compression and archiving capabilities, 7-Zip also includes a built-in file manager that allows you to browse and manage your compressed files. It's a lightweight and user-friendly program that is easy to use, even for those who are new to file compression. Overall, 7-Zip is a must-have tool for anyone using Windows on a regular basis. It's a reliable, feature-rich, and free software that's sure to become an essential part of your workflow. On the third place, we have LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free and open-source office suite that's perfect for anyone who needs a powerful and feature-rich alternative to Microsoft Office. LibreOffice includes a range of applications that cover all the bases of typical Office software, including a word processor, spreadsheet program, presentation creator, and more. It's compatible with a variety of file formats, including those used by Microsoft Office, and includes a number of advanced features that make it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. One of the great things about LibreOffice is that it's completely free to download and use, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget or for those who don't want to pay for a subscription to Microsoft Office. It's also available for a variety of platforms, including Windows, MacOS, and Linux, so you can use it on any computer you have. Overall, LibreOffice is a fantastic alternative to Microsoft Office that offers a wide range of features and compatibility with other Office suites. Whether you are a student, professional, or just someone who needs a good Office suite, LibreOffice is something that you definitely need. Next up, we have OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a powerful and popular software for recording and streaming video content. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster Software Studio, is a free and open-source program that allows you to capture and record video from your computer screen, webcam, or other sources. It's a great tool for creating video tutorials, live streams, and other types of video content. One of the standout features of OBS Studio is its ability to capture multiple video and audio sources at the same time, allowing you to mix and match different elements in your final video. It also includes a variety of customization options, such as the ability to add overlays and text to your videos, and support for various output formats and resolutions. In addition to its video recording and streaming capabilities, OBS Studio also includes a range of tools for managing and optimizing your content. It can help you improve the quality of your videos through features like noise reduction and color correction, and it includes a built-in chat feature for interacting with the audience in real time. Overall, OBS Studio is a powerful and feature-rich software that's perfect for anyone looking to create and share video content. we can all say that it is a must-have program for every user. Up next, we have QBitTorrent, a free and open-source BitTorrent client that's perfect for downloading and sharing files over the internet. QBitTorrent is a lightweight and easy-to-use program that allows you to download and upload files using the BitTorrent protocol. It's a great tool for quickly and efficiently transferring large files such as movies, music, and software. One of the standout features of QBitTorrent is its ability to manage multiple downloads at once, thanks to its built-in torrent queue and prioritization system. It also includes a number of advanced options, such as support for magnet links and the ability to limit your upload and download speeds. In addition to its file downloading and sharing capabilities, QBitTorrent also includes a range of tools for managing your torrents. It can help you organize your downloads by creating labels and categories, and it includes a built-in search feature for finding new torrents to download. Overall, QBitTorrent is a reliable and feature-rich BitTorrent client, which is a must-have program for anyone looking to download and share files over the internet. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and do share this video with your friends.